In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to turn off activity status on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app, move to the profile, click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy here. Click on the inbox and you can see here at top there is inbox. Click on it. If you want to turn off your activity status, you will not be able to see who is online and the people will not get your notification that you are online. This green mark will be turned off like this. In this way, you can turn off the activity status from your TikTok account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.